Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive into the world of AI side hustles.
Ooh, very cool.
We've got 3 articles here, chock full of ideas for us
Hey.
on how to use AI to earn some extra cash. And, the really interesting thing is that all of these sources seem to agree that you don't need to be like a tech genius to get started.
Yeah, that's a good point.
It's very accessible.
Yeah. Ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur.
I am. Let's do it.
All right.
So I think what we're seeing is just this like perfect storm, right? AI is getting more powerful and easier to use.
Right.
The gig economy is just booming, and people are increasingly looking for ways to boost their income.
Yeah, totally. And I feel like the pandemic really kind of
Oh, for sure.
accelerated a lot of that.
Absolutely.
But okay, so before we get too far ahead of ourselves,
Right.
let's define what we're talking about when we say side hustle.
Yeah. Good idea.
One of these articles here, 24 best AI side hustles for anyone to try, describes it as
Basically, any way to make money outside of your main job.
okay.
So that could be, think extra cash, passion projects, or even building like a whole new career path.
Yeah, and I think what's so fascinating is that AI is opening up all these entirely new avenues for side hustles.
Right.
AI tools can help you work smarter,
Mm-hmm.
not harder, whether that's like automating tedious tasks or even like unleashing creativity and tapping into markets you never even thought possible.
Yeah, it really is like having a superpowered assistant.
It is.
But instead of fetching coffee, it's helping you build a business.
Totally. Yeah, it's way better than coffee.
Way better, yeah.
Way more valuable. Okay, so I'm curious about the skills needed, though.
Yeah.
Another article here, 23 plus top AI side hustles for anyone to try in 2025 says that
Okay.
AI is making it easier than ever to jump into this world.
Yeah.
So does that mean you don't need a tech background to succeed?
You really don't, and that's what's so exciting about it.
Okay.
You don't need a degree in computer science to use AI tools.
Right. A lot of the platforms these days are so user-friendly, even for beginners.
Yeah.
It's more about understanding how to leverage these tools effectively
Right.
to achieve your goals.
Okay, so let's dive into some specific categories then.
Okay, sounds good.
First up, content creation.
Okay.
All 3 of these articles highlight the incredible potential of AI in this area.
Yeah, it's huge.
For example, 14 AI-powered side hustles. How to Make Money with AI talks about AI-powered blogging.
Yeah, that's a popular one.
Yeah, so tell me about that.
Yeah, so you can use AI tools for everything from generating blog post ideas and crafting outlines to even writing the first draft.
Wow.
And then AI can even help you optimize your content for search engines like Google so more people can find it.
Okay, so it can help with the heavy lifting,
It can.
but I'm guessing you still need that human touch to make it really shine.
Absolutely. AI is a tool to enhance your creativity and speed up your workflow.
Yeah.
But it's not going to replace your unique voice and expertise.
Right.
You'll still need to edit and refine and infuse your personality into the content.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense. What about those people who want to create content but aren't comfortable being on camera?
Well, that same article, the 14 AI-powered side hustles,
Yeah.
also talks about faceless YouTube channels.
Oh, interesting.
AI can actually handle the video editing, create visuals, and even generate avatars.
Oh.
So you can have a virtual presence.
So you could have like a little AI character
Mhm.
hosting your
You're great.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Wow, that opens up a lot of possibilities for people
That's
who are camera shy but have valuable knowledge to share.
totally.
But I'm curious, like, how do these faceless channels make money?
A lot of them use strategies like affiliate marketing,
Okay.
where they recommend products or services and then earn a commission on sales.
Okay.
Others generate revenue through ads or sponsorships.
So you're creating engaging content, building an audience, and earning income, all without ever showing your face.
That's exactly right.
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
And speaking of earning income, another area is AI-assisted freelance writing. Both 23 plus top AI side hustles for anyone to try in 2025 and 24 best AI side hustles for anyone to try. Mention this one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
I can see how this could be like a total game changer for freelance writers.
Yeah.
You could use AI tools to write blog posts, product descriptions, website copy so much faster.
Mm-hmm.
And that means you could take on more clients and increase your income significantly.
Exactly. It's about using AI to boost your productivity and efficiency.
Right now, what about people who dream of that passive income?
Yeah.
That magical idea of earning money while you sleep.
Right.
Best AI side hustle ideas. 27 ways to use artificial intelligence for extra income has an interesting section on self-publishing on Amazon using AI.
Okay, cool.
And it suggests that you can use AI to brainstorm book ideas, generate outlines, write first drafts, and even design covers.
Wow, so you could potentially write and publish a whole book using AI.
Yeah, and I imagine there are some ethical concerns around that.
Yeah, definitely there are.
Yeah. But it's important to remember that AI should be a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it entirely.
Right.
You want to make sure that your book reflects your unique perspective and expertise, even if you are using AI to help with some of the tasks.
For sure.
So listeners, keep that in mind if you're thinking about venturing into the world of AI-assisted self-publishing.
Good advice.
Now, we've been talking a lot about content creation, but I'm curious about other areas where AI can be used for side hustles.
Yeah.
What about folks who are more business-minded? What opportunities are out there?
Yeah, great question. There are a ton. There's a whole world of AI side hustles for those business-minded folks.
Okay, cool.
One area that all three articles highlight is chatbot development.
Chatbots,
Yeah.
like those automated assistants you see on websites.
Exactly.
I've used those before, but never thought about how they're made.
Yeah, and they're becoming increasingly sophisticated thanks to AI.
Okay.
14 AI-powered side hustles. How to Make Money with AI explains you can actually build and manage these chatbots for businesses,
Oh.
helping them automate things like customer service, answering frequently asked questions, even generating leads or making sales.
So instead of having a human answering the same question over and over, the chatbot can handle it.
Right, and that's a huge time saver for businesses.
But how hard is it to build one?
A lot of platforms these days offer really user-friendly interfaces,
Okay.
so you can actually build chatbots without extensive coding experience.
Okay.
Of course, the complexity can increase depending on the features and functionality you want.
Right, so you could start simple and then learn more advanced techniques.
Exactly. And the demand for chatbot developers is only going to increase
Yeah, I can see that.
as more businesses recognize the value
Totally.
of automating these interactions.
It's like having a virtual workforce available 24/7.
It is.
That's got to be appealing to businesses.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
What about other business-related side hustles?
Yeah,
I'm thinking marketing, advertising. Can AI play a role there?
absolutely both. 23 plus top AI side hustles for anyone to try in 2025 and 24 best AI side hustles for anyone to try. Talk about the growing demand for AI SEO services.
AI SEO.
Okay.
Okay, remind me what SEO is again?
SEO stands for search engine optimization,
Right.
and it's all about helping websites rank higher in search results.
Okay, so if you're good at SEO, you can help businesses get more visibility online.
Exactly.
That's a valuable skill.
Yeah.
But how does AI fit in?
Well, there are AI tools now that can analyze websites, conduct keyword research, and even suggest content improvements
Oh, wow.
to boost SEO performance.
So instead of like manually digging through data and trying to figure out what's working, AI can do a lot of that heavy lifting.
That's right. It can analyze so much data quickly.
That's impressive.
Yeah, and these tools are getting more sophisticated and accurate as the technology advances.
Wow. Okay, so beyond SEO, are there other ways AI is being used in marketing?
Definitely all three articles mention AI social media management as a hot opportunity. Imagine using AI to help schedule your posts, track performance, and even suggest content ideas.
Tailored to your target audience.
Exactly.
That sounds like a dream come true.
Yeah, it does.
For anyone who's ever felt overwhelmed by social media.
Right. It can get out of hand.
Oh, for sure. But can AI really replicate that human touch?
That's a good point.
Right.
While AI can automate a lot of tasks, it's still important to use your own judgment and creativity
Okay.
when crafting that engaging content.
Right.
Think of AI as like a helpful assistant, not a replacement for your social media savvy.
So listeners, if you're using AI for social media, make sure you're still bringing your unique voice and personality.
That's key.
Don't let the robots take over completely.
Yeah, they're good, but not that good.
Not yet, at least.
Not yet.
Okay, so we've talked about content creation, chatbots, SEO, and social media.
Yeah.
What other business-related side hustles can AI empower?
Well, 23 plus top AI side hustles for anyone to try in 2025 and 24 best AI side hustles for anyone to try both highlight AI for running ads more effectively.
Oh, interesting.
AI can help target the right audience, optimize your ad spend, and even write engaging copy that converts.
That's incredible.
It is.
It sounds like a total game changer for small businesses
Yeah.
who don't have huge marketing budgets.
Right.
But how technically skilled do you need to be?
Well, a lot of platforms are designed with user-friendliness in mind.
Oh,
They offer
that's
intuitive interfaces and helpful tutorials,
okay.
so you don't have to be a coding whiz to get started.
So even someone with basic technical skills could learn to run AI-powered ad campaigns.
Absolutely. It's all about being willing to learn and adapt to these new technologies.
Speaking of adapting, I'm curious about the ethical implications.
Mhm.
Is there a risk of AI being used to manipulate people?
That's a great question, and those are definitely important considerations.
Yeah.
It's crucial to use AI responsibly and ethically, even in advertising.
Right.
Transparency is key.
Yeah.
And consumers should be aware when AI is being used to personalize their online experience.
It's all about finding that balance between leveraging the power of AI
Right.
and respecting people's privacy and autonomy.
Exactly. Now, beyond these specific areas, there's also growing demand for AI consulting.
Oh, okay.
14 AI-powered side hustles. How to make money with AI
Yeah.
suggests that if you have deep AI expertise, you can actually offer guidance to businesses
Interesting.
who are eager to integrate AI solutions.
But might not know where to begin.
Right. They need some help.
So you're like an AI guru,
You could say that.
helping businesses navigate this new frontier.
Exactly.
Well, what kind of background would someone need to be successful at that?
It definitely helps to have a strong understanding of AI concepts and technologies,
Okay.
as well as experience implementing AI solutions,
In the real world.
right, in real-world settings.
Yeah.
But beyond the technical expertise, it's also crucial to have strong communication and problem-solving skills.
So you need to be able to translate those complex AI concepts into language that business leaders can understand.
Yes, and you need to be able to analyze their needs,
Okay.
identify the right AI solutions, and then guide them through that implementation process.
That sounds challenging but rewarding.
It is both of those things.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here in the business realm,
Yeah,
but I know there are also creative and technical AI side hustles out there as well.
there are.
What are some of the most exciting opportunities in those areas?
Well, 23 plus top AI side hustles for anyone to try in 2025 and 24 best AI side hustles for anyone to try both mention AI video editing as a booming field.
AI video editing.
Yeah,
Okay,
the game changer for anyone working with video.
I can imagine.
Imagine using AI to handle tasks like trimming footage, adding subtitles, color correcting,
Oh, wow.
even sorting scenes and removing background noise.
That sounds like it would save so much time.
It does a ton of time.
Especially for people who edit videos for a living.
Yeah, but how does that work? Does AI just take over the whole editing process?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
It's more about AI assisting you, not replacing you. You still have creative control,
Right.
but the AI can handle those tedious, time-consuming tasks that used to take hours to do manually.
So it's like having a super efficient editing assistant
Exactly.
working alongside you.
That's a great way to put it. And a lot of these AI video editing tools are becoming increasingly affordable and accessible,
Very good.
even for beginners.
That's great to hear. Now, what about music? I've heard some buzz about AI being used to create music.
Yeah.
Is that a viable side hustle?
It is both 23 plus top AI side hustles for anyone to try in 2025 and 24 best AI side hustles for anyone to try mention using AI to compose original music tracks.
Wow, so you could have an AI compose a symphony.
You could.
How does that even work?
There are AI tools that have been trained on vast amounts of music data,
Okay.
and they can use that knowledge to generate unique melodies, harmonies, and rhythms.
That's mind-blowing, but I'm wondering about the creative aspect.
Yeah.
Does the AI just spit out generic-sounding music, or can you actually guide it to create something specific?
You can actually guide it. A lot of these tools allow you to input certain parameters,
Okay.
like genre, mood, instrumentation,
Oh, wow.
and the AI will generate music based on those preferences.
So you're still involved in the creative process.
Yeah.
But the AI is like your musical collaborator,
Exactly.
helping bring your ideas to life.
That's it. And you don't have to be a musical virtuoso to use these tools.
Okay, good.
They're designed to be accessible to anyone with an interest in music creation.
I love that. That's fantastic.
Mhm.
I could see this being a great side hustle for aspiring musicians, composers, or even just people who want to experiment with creating their own soundtracks or jingles.
Totally.
Now, what about web design?
Oh, yeah.
Can AI be used to create websites?
Absolutely. 23 plus top AI side hustles for anyone to try in 2025 and 24 best AI side hustles for anyone to try. Talk about AI website builders
Okay.
to create attractive and functional websites without needing extensive coding or design experience.
So you could offer web design services without being like a professional web developer?
A lot of these AI website builders use intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces,
Wow, okay.
making it super easy to create visually appealing layouts and add features like contact forms, image galleries, and social media integration.
So it's like having an AI design assistant
It really is.
that helps you build a website from scratch.
Exactly. And these tools are becoming even more sophisticated
Wow.
as AI technology advances,
Okay.
allowing you to create custom and professional-looking websites.
That's a game changer for small businesses
For sure.
or entrepreneurs who might not have the budget to hire a professional.
Yeah, definitely. Now, last but not least, let's talk about AI art generation.
AI art.
Yeah.
I've seen some really cool stuff online. Is this something people are actually making money from?
They are 23+ top AI side hustles for anyone to try in 2025 and 24 best AI side hustles for anyone to try. Both mention selling AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy,
Wow.
or even as NFTs.
NFTs. Okay, so those digital assets, but how does AI actually create art? It seems so subjective and human.
Well, there are AI tools that have been trained on massive data sets of images and art styles.
Okay.
And they can use this knowledge to generate unique and often surreal artwork.
So you can tell the AI, like, I want a painting in the style of Van Gogh, but with robots instead of people.
It's not quite that simple, but you can definitely guide the AI by providing prompts, keywords, or even existing images to inspire its creations.
So it's like having an AI art partner
It is.
that can help you explore new creative frontiers. But I'm wondering about the value of AI-generated art. Some people might say that it lacks the human touch.
That's a valid point.
That makes art special.
It is a valid point, and it's important to remember that AI art is a different form of artistic expression.
Right.
It's not meant to replace human artists, but rather to expand the possibilities of what art can be.
So it's a new medium, a new way of exploring creativity.
Exactly. And there's a growing market for AI, especially among collectors who are interested in the unique and unpredictable nature of these creations.
Okay, so we've covered a wide range of AI side hustles today.
We have.
From content creation to business solutions to creative and technical pursuits, it seems like there's truly something for everyone.
That's the beauty of AI. It's democratizing access to tools and opportunities that were once reserved for experts or those with specialized training.
It's empowering individuals to turn their passions into side hustles,
Right.
explore new creative avenues, and even build entirely new careers.
And as AI technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what new possibilities will emerge in the future.
So listeners, we encourage you to explore the world of AI, experiment with different tools, and find ways to leverage AI to enhance your life, your work, and your income.
The AI revolution is just beginning.
It is.
The most exciting chapters are yet to be written.
So stay curious, stay engaged, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence.
So that was today's episode of my Side Hustle Weekend podcast. For everyone listening, if you're ready to take action on what you learned today, here's where you can find more resources. First, head over to sidehustleweekend.com. I've put together detailed guides, templates, and case studies. And while you are there, don't miss out on my free newsletter, Side Hustle Weekend. If you found value in today's discussion, hit that like button and subscribe to join our Weekend Hustlers community. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our episodes where we break down more side hustle strategies. Check the description below for all the tools and resources we mentioned today. Remember, everyone's journey starts with a single step. Whether you're looking to make an extra $500 a month or build something bigger, start with what you learned today and take action. So, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode.